Okay, hey everybody, welcome back to the Power of Sound. We're in section 3, the software section. Last video we went over whether or not you're going to need the ASIO driver. And if you do need the ASIO driver, the ASIO driver, I showed you how to get that and get it installed. But now we're going to talk about where to get the software that we're actually going to be using to edit. So this course is based around Adobe Audition. If you don't have Adobe Audition, let me show you where to get it, how much it costs, and how to go about that. Okay, so first and foremost, you're going to go to adobe.com. Once you get to adobe.com, you're going to see a list of options up top. Let's click on Creativity and Design, and let's go to View All Plans and Pricing. All right, so here you can get a single app for $20 a month. If you're on your game, that means you pay $20 and you can record your entire audiobook, no questions asked. And then after that, if you want to go more, you can. I personally do the all apps for $50, and it's fantastic. I mean, I get everything that Adobe makes. So I can use Photoshop for my book covers. I can use Illustrator to do what I want to do. I can use Premiere Pro to record videos and edit these videos. So just think about what you really need. You can cancel this at any time. But yeah, so you can just choose an app and there's Audition. So say you choose Audition. You can do an annual plan paid monthly. You can do an annual plan prepaid, or you can do a monthly plan. Now, if you do a monthly plan without the annual agreement, it's going to change the price. It's going to go to $30 a month. Even still, that is super cheap if you can record your entire book in a month. If you can't, you might want to consider doing the annual plan paid monthly. That'll save you a ton of cash. I'll save you like $10 a month. That's $120 a year. It's a good gig. So you just click buy now, you follow it through, and it'll set you up. Now, once you've gotten all that, once you've set up your plan and everything, Adobe is going to make you download this guy, the Adobe Creative Cloud. The Adobe Creative Cloud is where you will actually install your apps. You can learn stuff. You can get assets, stock, discover. And no, Adobe is not sponsoring this, although maybe one day they'll sponsor me. But anyway, so Adobe is the top of the line. They're the industry standard for everything right now. Anyway, so you click on the apps and you'll scroll down until you find this icon right here, this green and black icon, and it's an Audition CC. Now, I'm not going to update my version right now. I want to stay on the latest version that I have. And yeah, so let's get it started. Once you have Adobe Audition, you can start it. I have mine pinned to the taskbar. So you just start Adobe Audition and there you go. That's pretty much all you need. So with that said, let's get into the next video.